form entries on your website is extremely important. If you miss a form entry, you may miss a potential client. In this video, I'll explain how to check form entries on your website. We recommend downloading those entries once a week, once a month, or quarterly, depending on the amount submitted, so that you can make sure all of those forms have been addressed. Just like editing anything on your website, the first thing that you're going to do is go to your website and log in. Once you've logged into your website, you will use the dashboard on the left, click Forms, and go to Entries. Now that you have gone to the form entries, you will be able to see all of the entries that have been submitted for a particular form. If you have more than one form, you can decide which form's entries you want to see by choosing the form. Once you have chosen the form you want to look at, you can see all the entries, how many are unread, starred, and in the trash. When exporting, you will still go to Forms on the dashboard, click on Forms, and click on Import Export. You will be able to export form entries or export entire forms. If you decide to export entries, you will choose which form you want to export the entries from. Once you've done this, you can select specific entry fields you wish to export, as well as the date range. The date range comes in handy if you want to know about an entry during a specific time. Once you have chosen the form, entry fields, and date range you want to export, click the Download Export File to complete your export. Remembering to check and export form entries often gets pushed to the back burner, but it is crucial to do both regularly. Keeping up with your forms will help you get the most out of your website. That is why we include one-on-one trainings with all of our website clients, where we discuss form entries, exports, and more. If you're ready to work on a new website project with form functionality, reach out. Our design and development team is ready to meet with you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you so much.